Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I wanted to say thank you for coming in this video to see our presentation. We are from Industrial Mechanical Engineering Department. In this presentation, we do like to explain to you all about the topic transfer mechanic. This topic is from subject lifting plane, or in bahasa we can call it pesawat pengangkat. The next slide is about the names of our group members. The first is Hasna Faiza Laili Irawan, and then the second is me, Tia Dwi Nirmala, and then the last, Dwita Indri Lestari. So the first thing I want to explain to you all is load classification. The load received or borne by the lifting aircraft can be classified into contact force or surface force, for example, like pulling or pushing force. And then the second is non-contact force, or we can call it body force. For example, like the earth gravitational force. As you can see from the picture, this is contact force and this is non-contact force. It can also be classified as external force like pull, push, and internal force like earth gravitational. It can also be classified according to the type of load, like static load and dynamic load and shock load.
Next, load analysis. If a system of force acting on the structure of the lift has a resultant force equal to 0, it is said that the lift is in a state of equilibrium. Or in other words, an equilibrium is reached if it satisfies the equilibrium condition. Example, sigma fx is 0, sigma fy is 0, sigma fz is 0, sigma mx is 0, sigma my is 0, and sigma mz is 0. The state of an object in equilibrium has two possibilities, namely rest or moving at a constant speed. Next, if the motion is accelerates, then according to Newton's second law, the equation that appears is sigma fx is max, sigma fy is may, sigma fz is maz, sigma m is I alpha, where I is moment of inertia, alpha is angular acceleration, m is moment or torque, and power is moment kali omega.
For the next, I am Hasna Faiza Laili Irawan will give some examples of simple questions. 1. Calculating angular acceleration. At first, it is silent. After the engine is started for 2 seconds, its angular velocity increases to 8 radian per second. What is the angular acceleration? Alpha equals 8 minus 0 radian per second divided by 2 seconds equals 4 radian per second squared. 2. The magnitude of the force required to lift the load when it's moving at a constant speed, and what is known it is volume. Use formula F equals V times gamma. What is the minimum force used to lift an object whose volume is 3 meters cubed? If the specific weight equals 4,000 Newton per meter cube, F equals 3 meter cube times 400 Newton per meter cube equals 12,000. N equals 12 kilonewton. 3. The magnitude of the force required to lift when the beginning move, and the known is the mass. The mass of goods and their cargo is 400 kilograms. At first, the silence was lifted vertically with acceleration of 2 meters per second squared. What is the minimum force to lift? Use formula sigma F equals sigma M times A. F minus W equals sigma M times A. F equals M times A plus W for start moving. For example, A equals 2 meters per second squared equals 400 kilograms times 2 meters per second squared plus 4,000 Newton equals 4,800 kilonewton. In many ways, the mass of the chart is unknown, but what is known it is volume. so that the formula becomes sigma F equals sigma M times A. F minus W1 plus W2 equals M1 plus M2 times A. F equals W1 plus W2 plus M1 plus M2 times A. Perhaps the mass of the chart is unknown, but what it is known it is volume, then it can be used the way below. F equals 1, F equals M1 times G plus M2 times G plus M1 times plus M2 times A, where M1 equals rho times V1, W1 equals V1 times gamma. So that's our presentations. If a mistake has been made, I, as a group representative, apologize. Send your question to one of our group members if you have any about our presentations. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.